Guys, so for today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make this crossed ripple. I've done this in a gray color and then a pink color. And here's the back side. Okay, so for the sample, I just used a medium 4-weight yarn and a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any yarn size you want and any hook size that you want. If you're new to crocheting, I would probably use the hook that's recommended on the band of your yarn. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful stitch. Okay, so to start off, you'll need to do a multiple of 3 plus 2 plus 1 for the foundation chain. So I'm going to, my 3, I'm going to do 18. I'm going to add 2 to that, which will make it 20. And then I'm going to add 1, which will make it 21. So I'm going to chain 21 to start my little project here, my little sample for you guys. So be sure and write that down. It's a multiple of 3 plus 2 plus 1 for the foundation chain. So to start my chain, I'm just going to put my hook underneath my yarn, twist the hook around the yarn to where it's like this, and chain 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 14, 18, plus 2, 1, 2, plus 1. Okay, so for row 1, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Okay, now we're going to single crochet in every chain all the way to the end of the row. So just insert your hook in the next chain, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and just keep doing that. That is a single crochet. And we should have, in my sample here, we should have 20 single crochets. And just insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Okay, here's our last single crochet for row 1. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Now, this is considered a double crochet, this stitch. So we're going to skip the next 2 stitches. We're going to work a double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so after our double crochet, we're going to chain 1. And these last 2 skip stitches, we're going to double crochet in that first of the last 2. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and in that 3rd stitch, we're going to make a double crochet. Just like that, chain 1. And in those last 2 stitches, the first one, we're going to double crochet. Yarn over and go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Skip the next 2, and in the 3rd, we're going to make a double crochet. And we're going to chain 1. And then last 2 skip stitches, in that first one, you're going to make a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Here's what it's looking like right now. Okay, we're just going to repeat this. skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitches we're going to make a double crochet, and we're going to chain 1. Okay, and then you got the 2 you skipped. With the first one you skipped, we're going to make a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch you're going to make a double crochet, and we're going to chain 1. Okay, so once again we're going to keep repeating that. In that first skip stitch we're going to put a double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, skip the next 2 stitches, and in that 3rd stitch you're going to make a double crochet. You're going to chain 1, and once again you're going to make a double crochet in that first skipped stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now that you're at the end, we're going to make a double crochet in the last stitch. So there's a double crochet. So here is what row 2 looks like. Okay, so now you're going to chain 1. This is row 3. Chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to make a single crochet. See all these V? Those are stitches. We're going to make a single crochet in every one. So if you have 20 single crochet here, you'll have 20 single crochet here. So just insert your hook in the first stitch, single crochet, and just continue that all the way across. And it'll be in every stitch and in chain 1 space. So if you're not sure, just turn your work and look for the V's. And like I said, if you're looking at it this way and you're not sure what's a stitch, just turn it and you can see the little V's. Your hook goes under all of the V's, each of the V's, like that. Okay, I'll meet you at the end. That was row 3. So for row 4, we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn our work, and we're going to skip this first one, like I said, because that's going to represent a double crochet. So we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, make a double crochet in, and chain 1. So now we're going to make a front post double crochet around the double crochet below the first of the 2 single crochet just skipped. Okay, so now we're going to make a front post double crochet around the double crochet right here, just below the first of the 2 single crochet of the skip stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook around, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, now that you've done that, we're going to do this again. So we're going to skip the next 2 single crochets. We're going to make a double crochet, and we're going to chain 1. Now we're going to make a front post double crochet in this first stitch right here. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and I like to pull it up. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, that's what you've got so far. Okay, skip 2 stitches and make a double crochet in the next stitch. And chain 1. Okay, so we're going to go down here to this row. We're going to make a double crochet, a front post double crochet. Okay, I'm pulling mine up to the height of a double crochet. There we go. Skip the next 2 stitches and a double crochet. Chain 1. And once again, you're going to go down to where you have the cross here and the X. You're going to double crochet in that first one, the front post double crochet. Okay, so skip the next 2 stitches and double crochet. And chain 1. And then you have that 1 double crochet here and 1 going this way. So the one in the back here, you're going to make a front post double crochet. There you go. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch you make a double crochet, and you're going to chain 1. Okay, and once again there's that 1 double crochet going that way and 1 going that way. So you're going to do a front post double crochet in that first one there. Okay, now you're going to double crochet in the last stitch. From here on out, you just keep repeating row 3 and row 4. So row 3 again, it was chain 1, and you're working a single crochet all the way across. And you should have the same amount of single crochets as you do the very first row of single crochets. And in my sample here, I have 20. So just continue making single crochets in every stitch and in the chain 1 spaces. Okay, so I just finished this single crochet row. Now let's start our double crochet row. I'll show you one more time. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip these next 2 stitches, and in this 3rd stitch here, you're going to make a double crochet. You're going to chain 1. You're going to go down here, and you're going to make a double crochet in this back double crochet right here on the row down. Okay. All right, pull mine. I like to pull mine up to the height of a double crochet. Okay, skip the next 2 stitches, make a double crochet in the 3rd stitch, chain 1, and once again we're going to double crochet in that back double crochet on the row below. Okay, skip the next 2 stitches, and 3rd stitch, make a double crochet and chain 1. Okay, we're going to double crochet, front post double crochet in that back double crochet there in the row below. All right, skip the next 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch make a double crochet and chain 1, double crochet in that back stitch right there in the row below, the front post double crochet rather. Okay, skip the next 2 stitches, and the 3rd stitch, double crochet, chain 1. Okay, and that skip back stitch, we're going to make a front post double crochet, skip the next 2 stitches, double crochet in the 3rd, chain 1. Okay, we're going to make a front post double crochet down below here in that first double crochet, Okay, now we're going to make a double crochet in the last stitch. And guys, that's all you got to do is just keep repeating rows 3 and 4. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.